Hand injuries and disorders. Introduction. Which of the following is a tendon?
Choose one of the following options.
Correct. This is a tendon. Carpal tunnel syndrome can be caused by
Choose one of the following options.
1. A wrist fracture. 2. Fluid retention during pregnancy or menopause. 3. Rheumatoid arthritis. 4. All of the above. Correct. Bill fell down and injured his finger. His finger is swollen, painful, and difficult to move. Should he seek medical treatment? Select yes or no. Correct. Bill's finger joint may be dislocated or broken. He should seek medical care right away. Does the risk for osteoarthritis decrease with age? Select yes or no. Correct. The risk for osteoarthritis increases with age. People who have injured a joint in their hand or another area of their body also have an increased risk. Tendinitis can sometimes be prevented by stretching the tendon before activity. Select true or false. Correct.
Thank you for using Explain.